Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable face grouping on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like Photos, Memories, Library, and Search. Go to Search. There you're gonna find People option right below your search bar. Well, to see the faces there, all you have to do is go to top right corner and tap on that user icon. Now, on the bottom of your screen, you can find Google Photos settings. Tap on it. There you can see options like backup, notification, preferences, sharing, apps and devices, and privacy. You have to go to preferences. Under preferences, you can see options like stack similar photos, group similar faces, memories, photograph playback, activity data in Google Photos. You have to tap on group similar photos. Then you can see face groups option. You have to turn it on. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable face grouping in Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.